Hello, I am the uppercase letter X, and today you're going to practice how to write me. But before, let's see, I am X for X-ray. Good. Right now, I need you to grab your pencil and let's go. Simple, you slant to the left down, stop, good, and you go back to the top on the side, and you slant to the right down. You slant to the right down. Good. And you go back to the top and you slant to the left. Good. Up, slant to the right, and slant to the left. Good. Slant to the right and slant to the left. Good. More letter X. Slant down, back to the top, slant down. Good. Another one, down and down. Good job. Now you can trace letter X. So I want you to get your book and trace me more letter X. See you. Bye-bye.